what Jamaat Ahmadiyya is doing for the future of young Muslims? Was tut die Jamaat Ahmadiyya für die Zukunft der jungen Muslime? For the future of young people, what Jamaat Ahmadiyya is doing for the future of young people, of young Muslims?
I think I've answered this question repeatedly, of course.
Okay.
We're trying our best to bring them up in the ideal atmosphere of Islamic values, which are peaceful values.
Khalifa hat diese Frage about the future of Islam in Germany. You already.
It is important to know that always there are exceptions. Some young people are lost to the values around which are vicious sometimes. So we are involved in a spiritual battle. And of course, the enemy also kills you when you're fighting them. So spiritually, we lose a few to them, but a majority of children are saved by us with the grace of Allah.